Hello, how are you? We have here a new episode of this wonderful scientific podcast called Exploring the Unknown. My name is Rodrigo Risco, and we are back with your favorite announcer. Today we bring up a very interesting topic, outer space. And who's not curious about this mysterious place that could be full of life? Therefore, we have a dynamic. You can ask us these questions live, and two specialists will answer the questions. Great friends of mine, Alessandra Lacotera and Fernando Hidalgo. Let's give them a warm welcome.
Hi Rodrigo, I'm so grateful to be here and obviously to answer your questions.
Feel welcome to my program.
Good morning, Rodrigo. I'm so excited to be here in your program for the first time and to talk about a topic that is so interesting. How are you?
I'm fine, but a little bit anxious for your answers. Oh, we have a message from our audience. It is from Matias. He's a 6-year-old and he wants to know what outer space is. Can you explain it to us?
Of course, no problem. Me and Alexandra will explain it to you.
Outer space begins 100 kilometers away from the Earth. It's a place without sunlight, very dark, and has no oxygen. It's empty. No sun can pass through it, and also that's why you can see the stars clearly. Many times it is true that it is completely empty, but between stars there are a lot of gases and dust. Also, there are forms of toxic radiation for astronauts and travelers balls of infrared and ultraviolet light that comes from the sun. For the little one to understand it better, they are like little very dangerous soccer balls, which if you touch them can even kill you.
Really interesting. I have also heard about dark matter. Fernando, can you tell us something else about that?
In fact, we don't know much about it, but we know that the dark matter is an invisible substance that we can find in space that make the 80% of the matter in the universe. It also distorts the light of bright distant stars. The more the light falls, the more dark matter there are.
Oh, thanks for that answer. Maria has written to us, worried about the news that she heard about a set of asteroids hitting Earth in year 2135.
Hi Maria, thanks for your question. Well, this is particularly interesting and partially true. I have been doing some research with NASA, being part of it. We discovered that an asteroid could hit the Earth in 2135. It has a very low chance of happening, but it is possible, so we started a mission called DOT.
Whoa, tell us more about this mission.
Okay, in fact, it's very surprising. This asteroid named Bennu measures 500 meters in diameter. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has managed to predict Bennu's trajectory over the next few centuries, and we have concluded that it would pass even closer to the Earth than the Moon itself. It is something too utopian. A gravitational force could change its direction and bring it straight to the ground where we live. We have decided to combat this impact so that it does not collide with force, throwing something into space so that it finds a collision between these two bodies. This explosion would be harmful to all human beings, that there could be a rebound attracting more asteroids, but this is only one of the evils that this planet has, some that we can control and some don't.
We got a message from Sebastian. He asked about what are scientists working on in order to travel all around the galaxy. I'm sure he's gonna be a future astronaut.
There is a really ambitious project we are planning to develop, but at this moment human beings do not have the capacity to travel through the different galaxies.
Really interesting. I have a personal question. What benefits can space offer to us?
Traveling to space improves life on Earth. Now scientists are investigating space because there's a lot of potential in terms of discovering such as important aspects like microgravity, new electronic chips, fluids, dynamic, and new and unknown aspects about matter, biology, medicine, and chemistry. So this is so important and it could help us so much.
Great. Thank you for all that knowledge you have shared with me and the audience, and for the care you have to spread science to the public and to teach new things. Also, I feel grateful for the time you will make to be with us, and to you, my dear public. Thank you for listening to us. We expect you to assist tomorrow at the same time and channel.
Thank you. Take care and getting you to all. Goodbye.
Thanks for the opportunity to be here and to share the knowledge I have been through a lot of hard work.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.